So tell stories from a personal experience so that they know that what you're talking about is real. And they know what you've gone through to help that other person. So that's the 3 steps within the C part of the OCD. And the D, now, the final bit, is called differentiate. How can you differentiate yourself from everybody else? Why did that client decide to pick you over everybody else? Why are you so special? Yeah? What makes you different? So if I were to give you my pitch right now, it would be along the lines of this. What do? I take away people's fear and replace it with confidence. I've worked with organizations like BT, British Telecommunications, and their apprentices. They had a problem with their apprentices not being able to communicate face-to-face with their customers. And so they wanted somebody to come in and help their apprentices find the confidence that they needed to perform their jobs more effectively. So they called me. And the interesting thing about it was, I worked with groups of apprentices, but there was one really special apprentice that needed extra help. He wanted one-to-one coaching to help him get over the next hurdle of his career. He'd already done 2 years apprenticeship for the company, and now he had to go out and raise money in order to go on what they call a challenge benefit, to raise money to take him to Peru. He needed to get to Peru. And in order to do that, he needed to gather donations from individuals such as yourselves. And what I was able to do was work with him on a one-to-one basis so that he could be very succinct, very focused on what he needed to get from people, and explain to them the stories and the things that he had accomplished in other events so that they would be willing to part with their money. Did it work? Yes. He actually was able to raise £7,000 towards his trip to Peru, which was double what he was needing to make the trip. So that extra money went in to help the organization in Peru build the schools that they were going over there to do. So why did they pick me? They picked me because I have a unique approach to dealing with apprentices through that particular age group and helping them overcome some of the barriers that 17 to 25-year-olds face in the beginning of their career.